Oh.
So she couldn't do that, you're saying?
No.
We have 62-year-old Flory. She's from the Bay Area, came down because she's really hurting neck and shoulders. She also has a ton of other issues, headaches, vertigo, sinus issues, low back pain, sleep, brain fog. You can see in the video, anxiety, depression. She is one hurting puppy. She's been to a ton of chiropractors, and the real crazy part is none of them can adjust her neck. The left side is very stiff. We have zero trouble. Check out her bad x-rays. Woo!
Oh, crap.
Look at the fear. See the eyes, guys?
Yeah.
That shows you how scared she is.
Flory, I worked for 34 years with a typewriter at first and then computer. My neck, it just spreads to my shoulders and upper back, and then the middle of my spine and the lower of my spine. It's like there's a traffic jam. I've tried everything, different chiropractors. I'm under a treatment right now with a chiropractor in the Bay Area, but he only sees me once a month, and sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't.
And you say your neck is very difficult to adjust to.
Yes, the left side, he was able to manipulate it, but the rest of the chiropractor was not able to.
You have history of lots of headaches in the past too, right?
I did.
Yeah,
yes.
when she was a menstruating female, she had it back then, but she says since she's no longer having menstruation, she's not having any headaches anymore. She used to have a lot of dizziness too, more dizziness.
Yes,
in the
I
past.
did have vertigo maybe 3 times, and I have dizziness every so often.
She wakes up with what kind of headaches in the morning?
A stuffy head, kind of like a
Stuffy
headache.
head? Gotcha,
Yeah.
and sinus issues.
Yes, sinus, because I can't lay flat, so I'm propped up with many pillows, and I'm a side sleeper.
Gotcha.
And when I do lay down flat, my body hurts, and also my sinus. I can't breathe. My lower back pain is when I drive a lot, so it's painful all the time. I wake up a lot because I'm a side sleeper, so I'm in pain, and I move to the other side, and I go to the bathroom about 3 times.
Brain fog, how long have you had that for?
I guess for a while now. My kids always say, well, Mom, you can't remember anything, and I thought it's just my age.
She has tons of anxiety, and you can't really see right now. She's covered up pretty good, but she has anxiety. Tell us about depression. How often do you feel that depression?
Well, I
sets in?
didn't realize I was depressed, a lot. And with my anxiety of the pain, I guess.
Just to look at her, she
that.
doesn't look like she has that, but she does. And the reason I'm pointing out, not to embarrass her, that's not my issue here. I know because of lack of sleep, and she's a tosser and turner, she doesn't sleep very well, that she has anxiety that develops from that, brain fog that develops from that, and if not untreated long enough, it becomes depression. And so it's not because she has some psychological thing, it's just because she's not sleeping. And we're going to help her through that this week.
I guess also the stress in my life, that's when I feel all the pain.
And she has a lot of stuff going on in her life.
Yeah.
Hey, husband. Passenger side impact when she was 13 years old, spun, got hit really hard. Mom had to go to the hospital. She was in the back seat, no seat belts. And then pack bell, she used to work pack bell, slip and fall on her tailbone. She was 25 years old.
I guess you're right. I'm out of balance. I'm constantly falling and hitting walls.
Oh, you didn't tell me that one.
I didn't realize. I just remembered now. It's my brain fog.
Brain
you
fog,
mentioned.
exactly.
So I'm constantly falling down the stairs, and I'm hurting myself.
Exactly. This girl is really, really flexible. So flexibility was an issue. Any pain in your back there, ma'am?
1, 2.
How about that?
That's about a 3.
And this is where her problem is in her neck, and how much pain there right now?
Hardly any.
How much there?
1-ish.
1, 2.
Both 1-ish.
How much pain there in your shoulder?
Just here.
How much?
Maybe a 1 or 2.
Tell them how scared you are.
I'm so scared.
Exactly. Hey, come here. Okay, so look into the camera. Look right in the camera here. How scared are you?
Very scared.
We looked at her x-rays, not nearly as bad as I thought they were. So 42 years of pain, and the chiropractor couldn't help her. Shame on you guys. If you know who you are, shame on you. Because this is going to be pretty straightforward. Her problem is going to be her posture and the way she does things. We're going to teach her all that stuff as we go through the week.
We have a 7mm right imbalance and 11-degree scoliosis. Here we have a gigantic left hip arthrosis, 16mm imbalance. Here is severe neck reversal with arthritis. Here we have L4, L5, and L5S1 significant arthritis.
How many chiropractors have you been to?
A lot.
Like
Maybe
over 5? 5?
Yeah, maybe 5 or 6. They're not as aggressive.
Well, with her, we're going to go right through C4 because the x-rays show her reverse curve goes down there. She doesn't have hardly any atlas wear, which I find very amusing because I thought there'd be a lot more atlas wear. But her low neck is definitely reversed. Not too bad of arthritis. 42 years of pain. I'm starting to sweat here. I can feel her getting a little hot here. Okay, pain right there, right?
Yeah.
Yep. I'm going right through C4. I'm not saying it's going to be perfectly easy, but not nearly as hard as it should be.
Wait. Oh, crap.
She thinks I have a potty mouth.
Sorry.
Look at the fear. See the eyes, guys?
Yeah.
That shows you how scared she is. Okay, this side scares her because this is the side of all of her pain, right? So she feels me. I'm going to be right here. C4 right there, huh? See? Right there, C4.
Yeah.
Now if I go a little higher, C2, not nearly as much pain, right? So right there.
Oh.
Yep. So we're going to go right through that spot. And that terrifies her because why? Because that spot is
Oh, crap.
painful.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah.
Was it like you thought it was going to be?
Yeah.
We like to help our patients up nice and easy because that adjustment is pretty powerful because the nervous system is changing. We're also reminding her not to twist and turn or she will undo my work. Let's see how she's doing.
I feel a little dizzy.
A little dizzy?
Yeah.
Okay. If you've watched my videos long enough, you know I tell people that's a good thing. Why is it a good thing? Remember what I said in the videos?
Yeah, it just affects the brain stems and the neurological.
Good. I'm pushing your body back in line, so it makes your body feel like it's out of a line. So that discrepancy makes you feel dizzy at first. But it's a good thing because it's going to force your body to change.
There was pain in my shoulder area both, and now it's going away.
Sending Flory for a walk down the hall is a critical part of the treatment. We need to recalibrate the spine. Let's check in again, see how she's doing.
I feel my body's a little lighter, and there's no pressure around my shoulder area. I always feel that.
Oh, you told me nobody can ever adjust your left side of your neck. Did I do okay?
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I forgot. I should have set that up as I could have made that more dramatic. Nobody ever could adjust your left side. I didn't have trouble. There's no trouble at all.
None whatsoever.
I forgot that. How is this different than the other chiropractors you've seen in the past?
I've never felt this. This is the first time I've ever felt like there's like an actual change. Most chiropractors I've been to, it's just temporary or made it worse actually.
Any difference there?
That
That was a one a minute ago.
It's 0. Whoa, nothing. I didn't feel any pain.
How about that?
Just a little pain.
I think that was a 1 or a 2 or something like that.
Nothing.
There was pain in your right shoulder before there. Was it 2 or 3? I forget what it was.
Nothing. I don't feel any pain.
So, if you guys see this video, that means she did good because she didn't want to do a video at all.
Right.
Not even a little bit, huh? So, anything else you want to share?
Well, we'll see how it goes. I'm here for a week.
Exactly. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Flory, this is day 4. You have 3 days of treatments under your belt. How are you doing, ma'am?
First day, I saw a lot of improvement.
I want to push on your shoulders now. This is going to hurt. So try to talk through it if you want to talk through it. A lot. Remember you told me you want me to do this first day?
Yes.
Okay.
Delicious.
Now it's delicious.
Yes.
How much pain? A scale of 1 to 10?
A 9.
A 9. Is it still delicious?
Yeah. All of my pain from my neck down to my lower back disappeared.
Gotcha.
Many years of pain.
And she constantly tells me how much she didn't like me online, but she says she was joking, but I think it's the truth. Took her a couple years to come here because she didn't like me. But she ended up here and she's feeling wonderful, I think.
Yeah.
This feeling you feel right now
Yeah.
is what you want to chase when you do APANs.
Okay.
This is what you're chasing. The more you do the APANs, this is how you're going to feel all the time. Adjuster only laying down the whole time, right?
Yeah.
And have I adjusted anything else but your neck?
No.
Gotcha. Why are you laughing?
I wanted more than just the neck, though.
Oh, tell us about your Gonstead doctor. You went to Gonstead doctors, right?
I did.
And then she tried to adjust your left side for how long?
For a long time, and she was never able to do it. And
Gotcha.
I was going there like twice a week.
Okay.
And she said it just takes time. And I paid a lot of money and nothing.
Okay, let's try this today, see what happens. Okay, I want you to do APANs in the chair. APANs. There you go.
Whoa.
How was that?
It was good.
Was that like your Gonstead adjustment?
No.
This is a Gonstead adjustment.
Okay.
Good. Now we're gonna let the whole body drop. 8 pounds more. Good. 8 pounds more.
Oh.
So she couldn't do that, you're saying?
No. Oh.
Was that a little different?
Yeah, definitely.
Good. Friday, the second adjustment, and I think she's doing better, but I'm going to turn it over to Flory. Flory, why don't you tell us your experience this week, how you're doing?
I actually felt really good.
I love the word actually, by the way, because it means they don't believe that they could get better, but they actually do. Good.
The first time he adjusted me, everything just went away. It just released all the tensions in my neck. My middle back was hurting a lot more than ever, and then my lower back, it just went away with that first adjustment. I have no neck pain.
Gotcha.
It's just soreness, but the
You
shoulder,
came in with this for years of pain. What, it's 42 years of pain in the left shoulder. How much better is it already?
It's gone.
So let's give it a percentage. How much better is it, you think?
I think it's 99.9.
Beautiful.
I'll give you
Yeah,
that.
she loves me. And she's going to stay another week, by the way, to get even better. Okay?
Yes, I
Now,
know.
you see how big her shoulders are? How tight they are? This is years of doing things wrong that causes this to happen. And so we're having to unwind that right now, but she feels way better, way more relieved because of the new posture I've taught her. But this is all the direct result of years of doing it wrong. And how's your low back pain?
I have none.
How about the mid back pain? You just said that it was better, right?
It's gone. I had a stuffy headache this morning.
So you did, okay?
Yeah.
You get some sinus headaches. How have the sinus headaches been this week?
It's like I don't wake up with a sinus issue and headaches, except for this one. It's just a little stuffy.
Just a little stuffy, but better so far, right?
Much better.
How about allergies? Any allergies this week? You said you have allergies.
No,
Is that unusual to have no allergies in the whole week?
Yeah. I mean, it comes and goes, so.
Fair enough. So
Yeah.
next week we'll ask you a question again.
Yeah.
Constipation. You only go every other day. Can you see? Her eyes used to be brown. Now they're blue.
I'm pretty regular.
What does that feel like to be able to get cleaned out all the time?
It feels
Feels good, right?
Yeah, it does.
And you're going a lot easier. Soft squeeze or lumpy dumpy?
Just
No, I'm just kidding.
easy.
You don't have to answer that. You don't have to answer that. How much better is your sleep?
I sleep very well.
How's the anxiety been?
I'm not as anxious.
Right?
No.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
And the depression? Are you
No.
noticing? Yeah,
No,
right.
no.
And she admitted she was the first day. Frequent urination. Pee-pees. Pee-pees. How are you pee-peeing?
Well, the first night, nothing. I didn't have to go. I usually go 3-4 times a night.
How many years have you been going 3 or 4 times a night?
Forever. I
Forever?
can't remember. And then now it's like, last couple of days, maybe once, and it's closer to my wake up time.
Brain fog.
No, I don't. Yeah, I can remember things. No, I don't feel lightheaded. It's been an amazing week, and
Gotcha.
I'm glad I'm here.
Can you tell them how much more you like me now than the beginning of the week?
I like you a lot.
She's always constantly reminding me, the first day I looked at you and I go, you're sitting like shit. I don't like this guy. She said that this morning. And then yesterday she says, I came in here and I didn't like your attitude and it's not so bad now. Who curses more than me? No, I still curse more. But she's a good cursor, man. She gets going and she's like, freak. Even when she's trying to change it to fudge, it still slips out. So anyways, say hi to your daughter.
Hi, Elisa, Ariana. I love
Good.
you.
What about the 16-year-old?
She's Ariana. She's Elise is my
Yeah,
my
sorry about the
19-year-old.
father making you food all week and McDonald's. You're going to have to deal with one more week. McDonald's, one more week. So we've been doing C4 on her all week. We actually did seated yesterday. You saw the seated adjustment. And we did that because we wanted to try to relax her shoulders. She loves me pushing on her shoulders, by the way. Mm-hmm. Because as I showed you in the video, they're very high, very strong. And when they're lower, they feel much better. But she likes this lower one. She likes me to adjust her this way better. Come towards me, please. Let me have this drop.
Oh, shit.
What? What did we hear there? There was a little bit of slippage there. You gonna have me edit that out?
No, that's okay. It didn't come out all the way.
I like how you lower your shoulders there. You relax your hands. So I'm just gonna bring your head up this way. Yeah, that way. Say goodbye, Flory.
Bye.